Welcome to the TMS Plus training program. The Track Management System Plus is designed to help professional directional drilling operators be more productive in the installation of their horizontal, directionally drilled projects. What I hope to achieve over the course of the next few sessions is just to give you a lot better understanding of how to use the TMS Plus program. Whether you're a current user or whether this is the first time you've used the software, what we're going to go through is we're going to take you through step by step how to plan bores, whether you need to know how far of a setback point you need, whether you need to know where an exit pit should be, whether you need to create a grade bore and you need to maintain a certain grade throughout this bore. We're going to show you how to map bores and also how to create as-builts. As-builts are simply where you have a laptop computer out on the job site that gives you real-time information that you could see, for instance, when you were pulling back a product. Are you going to become an expert with the TMS Plus program after going through this tutorial? Some may not, but what I will encourage you to do is to continue to map bores out and plan bores. That way you do become better at using this software, and then when you do need to use it in a live situation, you'll be familiar with it and you can get the information out of it that you need and very quickly. Hopefully at this point you've already got the software installed on your computer. If you haven't, let's just take a minute and discuss the installation process of this software. It's installed just like any other computer program, so simply putting the disk into your computer and letting the computer recognize that you've done that, it will bring up instructions to walk you through the installation process. If for any reason you should have any problems with the installation, if you'll look inside of the jacket that the CD came in, there's complete installation instructions in there, and if you'll follow those steps, they can also help you get through the installation process. If for any reason you should need to contact technical support, there are two phone numbers listed on the inside jacket of the CD. One is a phone number that is good for people inside of the United States that are using this software. The other phone number would be for people that are outside of the United States that may need to call technical support. So again, I want to welcome you to the TMS Plus tutorial. I hope that you find it useful.